Okay, this video is just a write-up to the first one on my takeaway from our class today in the SDGS Advocate program that I got admitted to. And just to mention that one of the things I learned today is all this while I've been doing advocacy on climate change and all that, and a lot of things I talk about in my content, as a matter of fact, I wasn't fully aware that they are part of the SDGs because I've actually never sat down to study the 17 SDGs until this moment. So I now discovered that, like I mentioned, that all of them are kind of interconnected. So I've talked about water management, how I see us wasting water a lot around. Sometimes I walk around and I see pipes broken, water just wasting, and no one is doing anything about it. And I see in some of our homes where we pump water from our borehole, and then water is overflowing, and and I've talked about number of occasions how we don't build right, like SDG 11 talks about sustainable cities and communities. And I feel that we build we build our homes without drainages, and I feel it is our responsibility and the responsibility of the government to ensure that we build the right way and all that. So these are some of the things I learned today. And life below water. Now some of the activities we carry out in terms of indiscriminate disposal of waste, you discover that some of this waste gets washed away to our water bodies, and they affect the aquatic animals and all that. And the same thing with the plastic bottles. Most of the time they end up in oceans and affect the aquatic animals in there. And of course we know how those things affect the ecosystem. Yeah, so these are some of the things I really took away from the class today. Clean water and sanitation, that is SDG 6, and well-being, which is health and well-being, which is SDG 3. And like I mentioned, I've been talking about environmental sustainability, climate change, climate action, and all that, not knowing that I've been hinting or talking about some of these SDGs. So today my eyes were wide open on the need to continue in this venture.